I'm gonna take a little tour here. They've been dumping up. That's a load we just got delivered to do some more dump up, as you can see there. But here's the garage. And we got it all dumped up here. Standing up tall. Thank you.
Fast,
yeah.
Done already.
Yeah. I haven't been over since they got, but they got that whole side done. Yeah. I understand. Yeah.
Right, you know what you want.
Yeah. Yeah.
That nice stuff here over there.
You know?
Yeah,
yeah.
Watch out.
Look at that. Look at that. Anyway, this is the garage. It looks good. But see, you know, that's why I was saying it could go deeper once they finish the top, see? And it's smoothed out, and they do the plumbing and everything over here. And
what you're saying, deeper?
I don't know. It looks good.
Yeah.
It's nice.
No, yeah.
Okay.
You want to see what I did, so what I do over there.
Okay, see, they did the right way. They left these, see? That was good. See, because these got to hook onto the stairway.
So did you tell them?
No, they just did it. They just did it the right way. That's the dining room. There's the kitchen. There's the outdoor kitchen. There's the back veranda. I'm standing in the living room. You know, it's not a huge house, but it'll be comfortable. It's huge compared to where we're living now. I figured out we're living in 350 square feet right now. So.
You mean all of it? All of it when it's complete. How much?
This?
This alone is.
You know, I can't even remember for sure now, but it's like, I don't know, 1,200 maybe. But the garage is nice and sized, yeah. So we can have a lot of nice things in there. You know, you can have your clothesline in there. The laundry room's going to be in there. This should be standing looking out the bedroom window, you know, looking over at Paul. Ah,
We are in our bedroom.
we had one of our friends come and spray the weeds the other day. Oh, I was talking to the camera how we had one of our friends come and spray the weeds the other day. So anyway, so I'm standing in the bedroom, and then right here we walk into the bathroom, and there'll be a bathtub right here, and then there'll be a double sink here, and then there'll be a shower over here, and then down over here you'll go back in, and the toilet will be back over here, kind of back behind with a door on it, so when you stink up the joint you won't stink up the whole bathroom. And then this would be the walk-in closet. You know, it's not a huge closet, but it's a nice size, you know. That's going to be real nice. And there's plenty of room, see, right here to stand, to dress. See, you can dress. We'll maybe put a little bench right here. Hey, sweetie. We'll put a little bench right here to sit while a person dresses, to put on shoes and stuff. See? Because the bedroom's not that huge, but it's nice sized, you know. The bedroom's 16 by 16. Yeah, it is good sized. So yeah, that load will probably, I don't know, it'll finish the living room, maybe.
That load?
Yeah. Be close. Yeah, it'll probably finish it. Yeah. So this is the place. Everybody's been begging me for an update on the house, and I haven't been doing one. So, you know, and I'm wondering if right here, some of that dirt needs to go in here first, so that the ground, so the mall is a little bit thicker there, because right now this practically goes up to the floor level over here. See? Yeah. Just kind of take a few shovels and push it over in the hole. Yeah. So anyway.
So you were saying that part of the living room gonna be taken away by the stair?
Well, no, the living room starts right. This living room starts right where I'm standing. This is the corner of the living room. And what I'm saying by that is, now there'll be a hallway right behind me here. The entryway. This is the entryway. There's the front. There's the door going out to the front veranda, and then that'll be a window there next to the front. And then this will be the stairway right here. Stairway will go up here, halfway, have a landing, and then come back, and come back right to here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, what I was saying is, you can't like put a easy chair right here, because, or you can't put one here.
Nothing can go there.
And nothing can really go against this wall, because you got to go into the hallway.
And nothing cannot go here.
And nothing can go here because of the dining room, because we got a nice 5 foot.
And nothing cannot go right down there so either.
Because there's a door and there's a low window. It's only going to be 2 blocks high. So basically, the furniture
have to go
over there, and then we can go part way here.
Yeah, something can go there.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna want anything much in it. Yeah.
Well, we'll put a French door there, so it's got 2 doors, and they'll, or maybe just 1 door on this side that opens out.
And yeah, we don't want no old things back up in there, so.
No. But you know, like a TV over here, like a TV over here, a settee over here, you know.
Yeah.
No, it's not huge, but look how much room we have. When the grandkids come, they can run up and down, you know, and have plenty of room to do that. Yeah.
Why Precious must have take one cup? When I hit, thank you, well, when you over here.
If you don't think, you know what, if I'm standing here thinking, wow, this room's not as big as I wished it was, all I got to do is go to our living room now and see how tiny it is compared to this. You know?
We have space to put things in.
Mm-hmm. This is as wide as our living room now is long. See? Or maybe a little bit wider than it is long. And then it's just, you know.
The kitchen was what?
Hmm? So what about the kitchen?
The kitchen was how much by how much?
Huh. Yeah, I'll have to look. I have to look. And we can change it and put counters on this side and on the end too. But then you have to get rid of your island. So we can decide that as we go. But I have it laid out right now the way it'll be real nice. So, yeah. Yeah, it'll be real nice, sweetie.
Yeah. Gonna be comfortable.
And we're not going to put a door here. We're not going to put a door to the kitchen.
No.
Originally, you wanted a door so you don't have the smell of fish and stuff coming in the house. But because of the way it is, you decided to go ahead and just leave that open.
Yeah. Yeah. We're going to be a big arch.
Yeah.
So it can be another arch.
Hmm? Yeah, you can do an arch. Mm-hmm. And even you could do an arch above the window here, because that's going to be a nice big window the same size as this, see?
You mean a arch window?
Hmm?
Why is it arch?
Well, just to go with the style. So when you're in the dining room, you have an arch window, and it's interesting where this part sits back, and the next door neighbors, they have a part that sits back. Except their part that sits back is a bathroom. Our part that sits back is a dining room. Except if we do a second story, there'll be a bathroom above our dining room.
Yeah.
Because the bedroom will be over here on the other side if we do the second story. So, yeah.
It's coming, you know.
It's really coming. It's really coming. Paul's really moved a lot of,
Just a piece of land,
you know? Yeah. Look how deep the foundation is. They had not even dug clear to the foundation there, see? This is really a sturdy home.
We could have done one block height less around here because it takes too much to dump it, too much money. Like one block height less.
Oh, but I'm glad we did it the way we did it.
No, Paul was saying, you think we could have done it one block
We
height?
could have gone one less. Yeah, but I wanted it up high. So I like the way they did it.
Yeah. You don't like the money.
No, that's true. That's true. It's more money. It's about another 375 blocks, plus all the cost of putting them in, and then the extra dump sand and everything.
So it would be right here. It would be right here.
It would only be to there.
Well, I think this is a good idea. We don't have to worry
Yeah.
about rain.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, and then what's in the inside of the house will be a little bit higher.
Yeah.
It's got to have to be a little bit higher inside the house than on the veranda and on the back veranda and the cooking area.
Yeah.
And also the garage, at least over here, has to be a little bit lower right here, but then it can gradually go up. So he could have come a little bit further possibly, huh? Like to here?
John, I stopped him there.
Oh, okay.
John, I tell you.
He could tell by the way he was going down.
That been trade. Me not wrong, John, I still.
No. Well, these rocks must be the boundary of don't go any further. But there's no reason to go any further.
Yeah, we don't want to. Yeah.
See, look how he was starting to settle in. That's why Jenna had him go ahead.
Yeah. But tomorrow I don't want to come so far down.
No. Okay, well, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So I can do an update video now. Here, we can do we can put ourselves in the house behind us. There we go. There's our house behind us. Yeah.
It's coming on little by little.
Little by little, it's coming up.
We'll be there.
Yeah, that's true.
By the help of God.
Yep. You know,